In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out one Gmail on a laptop with multiple accounts. If you use more than one Google account on the same browser, you've probably noticed that there isn't a straightforward sign out of just this one button inside Gmail itself. Instead, Google signs you out of all your accounts at once, and then lets you choose which ones you want to keep using. I'll walk you through that process step by step and show you how to effectively sign out of a single account while keeping the others ready to sign back in. First, open your browser and go to either gmail.com or google.com. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as you're already signed into the Google account you want to manage. Make sure you're on a Google page, not just any random website, because the profile menu we need only appears on Google's own pages. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture, or if you haven't set one, a colored circle with your initial. Click on that. This opens a small panel that shows all the Google accounts currently signed in on this browser. You'll see the active account at the top and any additional accounts listed below it. In that same panel, look for the option that says Sign Out of All Accounts and click it. This might feel a bit confusing because we only want to remove one account, but this is the required step. Google will sign all of your accounts out at the same time on this browser. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen that usually says something like Signed Out and may mention that syncing is paused. On this page, you'll see a list of the accounts that were previously signed in, along with an option that says Remove an Account. Click that. Now you'll be able to selectively remove accounts from the browser's list. Click Remove next to the Gmail account you no longer want to stay signed in. This deletes its saved login from this browser, but it does not delete the email account itself. When you're done, go back to the sign-in screen and choose only the accounts you still want to use. Sign back into those and leave the removed one out. That way, you've effectively signed out of just one Gmail account while keeping your other accounts active on your laptop.